In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to a Canva presentation. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to bring your slides to life with video, using just a few simple steps inside Canva. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account and that you already have a presentation open or created. On your presentation, look over to the page panel, usually on the left side of the screen, where you can see all your slides. To get started, you'll want to add a new slide where your video will go. Look for the small plus icon, often found either underneath your existing slides or near them. Click on this plus sign to add a new, empty page to your presentation. This gives you a clean space to work with, so your video doesn't interfere with other content. Once your new page is created and selected, move your attention to the left-hand toolbar in Canva. Here, you'll see different options like templates, elements, and so on. Find and click on the option labeled Uploads. This is where Canva stores all the media you've brought into your account, such as images, audio, and of course, videos. Inside the Uploads panel, you'll see different tabs. Click on the one labeled Videos. This tab will show you all the video files you've already uploaded to Canva. If you don't see your video yet, you can upload it from your computer by using the Upload button, then waiting a moment for it to finish processing. Once it appears in this list, you're ready to place it onto your slide. Now, with your empty page still selected, choose the video you want to use from the video section. Simply click, hold, and drag the video from the side panel onto the empty page, then release your mouse to drop it there. Canva will place the video on your slide, and from here, you can resize it by dragging the corners, or reposition it by clicking and dragging it around the canvas until it's exactly where you want it. That's all there is to it. You've now added a video to your Canva presentation by creating a new page, opening the Upload section, selecting videos, and dragging and dropping your chosen clip onto the slide.